Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Kesila Luxury Skincare. Guys, please follow us, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell your friend, please guys, don't forget to follow us and also share our link. Okay, stearic acid, which the measurement is 240 grams. This is our sugar. It has been melted already. The sugar is 280 grams, melted, dissolved with 200 gram water. Okay, this is our glycerin, vegetable glycerin we are going to use. We'll be needing 280 grams. Okay, so this is very simple, guys. It's something that you can do at the comfort of your home. You don't need degree for you to be able to formulate a soap that you can use in your home. Okay guys, now let's move to the workplace. Okay, because we are going to it's going to be a hot processing. We are using the fire, double boiling it and all that. Okay, this is the caustic. Okay, we are dissolving the caustic here. Please, for safety's sake, water on top of caustic. Rather, you will use the caustic soda to pour into the water just for safety purposes or safety's sake. Because what we are working with is chemical. Okay, when dissolving your caustic in the water, you know, because the caustic was somehow blocked, it's looking milky, but it must be crystal. It will be very clear. Everything here will melt before you use it to work. I'm adding the glycerin. Stearic acid is here. We are adding our caustic. You can see. Statement. To use low heat, guys. Okay, at this junction, okay, at this phase you have to use low heat. can see that it has trace. Okay guys, this is the sugar. In the description, this thing, I'll tell you guys what all these things does to the soap, or their work in the soap. So please guys, watch this video to the end. You're going to learn a lot. And don't forget to subscribe, because we are going to give you a lot of training or a lot of teaching that you will pay money to learn, but we are going to give it to you free, okay? So that you can do them at the comfort of your home without no stress. So simple to do. Minutes of our distance, so we are putting our alcohol. This is our transparent soap. You can see how clear it is. Yeah, transparent soap or soap base. You can use to do your pimple soap. You can use it to do your whitening soap. You can use it to do your acne soap. You can use it to do your lightening soap. You can even use it to do the exfoliating soap. So you guys can see it. So we are going to put it in our mold, and after 24 hours you guys will see how sweet and good it is. You guys will watch out. See this soap? I'm going to use it to do a lot of designs, which I will show you guys. So I will spray it our alcohol to avoid bubble. So let's wait 24 hours. We'll see how it... Okay guys, our soap is ready after 24 hours. You can see it has solidified. Very strong. So this is our base soap that we will use to formulate our papaya soap, our acne soap, our carrot soap. Okay, you can see how strong and solid it is. It's a base soap. This is not a transparent soap, it's just a base soap that is made with goat milk and other things. So guys, thank you. Please subscribe to our channel in case you have, if you have not done that, so that you will get more notifications on more videos we are going to be loading to you guys. Thank you.